Okay, so today we are going to do fidget versus. So we're going to do the fidget spinner versus the fidget thumb checks. I can't really do these well, so you probably know what the fidget spinner is. It's just like spinner, and these probably not lots of people you know, but they're like kind of like nunchucks, but like for your hands. And so we're gonna do 3 challenges, and whoever gets 2 out of 3, or whoever gets the better score is gonna win. So yeah, let's get into the first challenge. Okay, so the first challenge is gonna be what is easier to learn, or what is easier overall. So the fidget spinner is really simple actually. You just get your thumb and your middle finger and put it right on this little middle piece. And you can even use your other hand to spin it, or you could, if you're better at it, you can use your ring finger to spin it. And then I feel like these are more complicated because you have to wrap them around your hand. And then I've had fidget spinner for 2 weeks now. I've had this for about 3 days now, and I feel these are way more complicated because I can barely still even do it, and I like these because they glow up. So this is how you do it. You have to like throw it around your hand and like throw it back over. But I can do it the other way. I can go back and then over. Yeah, so I feel like for this round, the fidget spinner wins for how easy it is to learn, and so yeah, 1 point fidget spinner. Let's get on to the next challenge. Okay, so right now it's 1-0 the fidget spinner, and the second challenge is gonna be what has like more cooler tricks and like what looks cooler when you do it. So the fidget spinner, pretty much all you can do is spin it, maybe go like hand off to hand off, and you can like just go one finger back and forth. That's basically all you can do with the fidget spinner. But thumb chucks, you can go over, back, and like you can throw it up. Oh, well, that didn't work. So yeah, you can throw it up, spin it and stuff. That look kind of cool because they're bigger and it's kind of more complicated, and everyone says like, whoa, look at that guy. But when you have this thing, you're like, that's cool, but it's just a fidget spinner. It's like nothing much. So I feel like for the second round, point goes to thumb chucks. Let's get on to the third round. Okay, so the third test is going to be drop test. I think this is about 5 feet high. So fidget spinner versus the thumb chucks. So let's do the thumb chucks first. So I thought they would bounce. But for this one, I'm not going to go up here. I'm going to go a little down. And also a little, not Ferris, but this is a fidget spinner. It's made out of like plastic and bearings. That's like a bouncy ball. So fidget spinner, drop in 3, 2, 1, go. So yeah. Okay, so for the third round, you could probably guess the thumb chucks win, because this one, yeah, it holds up good, but it would probably break if you kept dropping it over and over again. But this one, it's not a rubber, so you can just throw it up and it comes, it's like a bouncy ball. It's pretty fun. But you should go check both of these out. I'll link these in the description down below. So this is gonna be the end of the video. The thumb chucks won. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.